Another reason for this is because the mid-latitudes, because there's quite high volumes of precipitation along a lot of the mid-latitudes and lower temperatures, which means that that standing water doesn't necessarily evaporate all year round, we get the creation of wetland. Now that's why I put an ND next to the moisture content. With wetlands, what we do is, because there's an abundance of water there, and remember one of the conditions of decomposition was the availability of moisture, but there's a kind of but that goes alongside that. Too much moisture, i.e. a wetland, and we create anaerobic conditions. Anaerobic means that there's decreased oxygen content. So if you imagine a wetland area just like this, with vegetation in it, what happens is that vegetation still dies and goes to the bottom of the wetland, and now there's very low oxygen content here, which means that the rate of decomposition slows quite dramatically. And what that then means is that the addition of dead organic matter occurs at a rate that is faster than the rate of decomposition. So you get large accumulations of organic matter at the base of these wetlands. Now what that then becomes is a very fertile soil known as peat. So areas in Scotland have very large peat deposits. Now given a little bit more time, and I say a little bit more time, I mean hundreds of millions of years more time, that would then eventually build up enormous heat and pressure, and it would become coal, and that's where coal comes from.